Okay, so I came back from school and I saw this and I thought, who put this? But it's part of my costume, so I want to open it up. Next thing you know, I'm going to be playing in this box. Ooh, got some scissors. Cut. And I know that this is part... Holy freaking hell. Ow! Hate it when they put express packaging. What? Thing's so heavy. Okay. Yeah, and I just got this in the mail. Fuck, this hurts. It's like freaking Incredible Hulk. Time to use some scissors. I bet Link wants this. Oh, he can cut it with his master sword. Fuck! Oh, this hurts like a... Cuts like a bitch, or hurts like a bear. Cutting that will make it so much better. Plus, I was playing Pokemon White, and now I already got 8 badges in like a day. Yep, and I hate this. Freaking helping. See, look how hard it is. Son of a bitch, they wrap it right over here too. Just ignore that Pokemon stuff. It doesn't really matter. I will let people add me, but later on. Freaking hell. Oh, my God. How many times did you wrap this thing? This may be a part 2. I hate how they have to wrap this so freaking much that it's by freaking on. And I think I get it. Piece of shit. Next time I'm gonna buy something that... Why? Yeah, I know this came from... It was sent somewhere from California, and then... Next time I'm gonna be playing in this box. This will be my house. My playhouse. Piece of shit. Oh! Yeah, you can hear something. Is it a T-ball? If it breaks, I'm suing Canada Post first. Such dumb packaging that goes kaboom. And I hope it doesn't have that styrofoam crap. God damn it! How many times does this have to be? Okay. I hate unboxing this bull crap. I hope I don't hurt my eyes. Because this scissors are very, very sharp. You can cut your eye right off. Fuck! Get in there! This is why they call these scissors so... 1990, 87,000. Over 9,000 powers of pain. I hate these boxes. Freaking hell, these boxes. Because I ordered something big on eBay. Ow! 8 cameras who hit me. Next time I'm going to buy a tripod. But I wonder where they sell them. Anyways. Freaking hell, I touched the power button when I wasn't... Here, there's Link. I should put Link with glasses. Next time when I receive another. Yay! Oh my God! Why? I hate this camera. It's like showing that that lock thing because I freaking touched the power button. Mean to. Oh, finally. Recently, I've been playing Pokemon too much. Yeah, okay. UPS. Fuck that shit. That shit is so... Oh, my god. Gotta be careful. About time. I hope this is correct. Oh shit. And no. Yep. Sorry. No way. You're not allowed. You know where I live. I'll kill you. Yep. It is that Starbucks bullcrap. Hate boxes like this. This is bullshit boxes. They should call it the bullshit box. Sounds like sex. Sorry. It's hard to do this with one bloody hand. Da 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 da. I should really get a tripod. Damn it! Be careful. Steady. Steady! Fuck, I'm not even... Ooh, sorry, you cannot look. It's not me. Shh, I can't do that. Holy shit, look at that. Somebody poked holes. Maybe squirrels invaded it. Ugh, didn't expect that one. Comes with this, which I don't understand. And... Da-da-da-da! 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 Oh, sorry, I like doing that. Oh, it's so hard to... Oh my god, I will be wearing this for Halloween and hit people across the head with my Hyrulean shield. Ready or not, here I come. No, just kidding. Yeah, and then this just came in today, and I'm very freaking angry at this box too hard. Well, yeah, and then I have a few coming up soon, and all that. I'm not going to open this because this one's for school and all. Oh my god, I can choke someone with it. I could put this on someone's head and go, ugh. They'd be choking them. China. Yeah, we already know. Made in China. Everything's made. Your mama's made in China. Just kidding. That was horrible. I blame myself. And squirrels ate the box. Ugh. This is from UPS and UPS. Dear UPS, stop making packages so hard to open for me. Express Post and all that. YVR, yeah. Because that's Vancouver Airport and I live there. But I'm not telling you where exactly. Because you're going to stalk me. Yep, and made out of real steel. I think it's made out of real steel. That's what they said. And it's already painted so perfect. Oh. Now I'm gonna be Link, and then for Halloween I'm gonna transform into him. Raw. Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. That was about it. Okay. Bye.